Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do another glitter cut crease because it's been a while since I've done one and I just love them. I used the Makeup a Murder Pastel Neon Pigments again. These are so much fun. I love that they fluoresce in the black light. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to do that and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So my eyelids are primed. I used the e.l.f. Putty eye primer in the shade Rose, and then I set that in place with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow and Creme Brulee. Now with the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, I am taking Sunkiss'd and buffing that in my crease. Taking things a little bit higher than usual because I am going to do a cut crease. Before I go any further, actually, I'm going to lay some tape down. Is that so? Now with the Makeup a Murder Orange Pastel Neon Pigment, I am going to take that on a smaller brush and buff that in the crease, focusing it more so on the inner portion of the crease. And I'm doing more packing motions, kind of tapping it instead of blending it with windshield wiper motions. And I'm actually going to take it on the outer portion too. I'm going to take that original brush that I had the Colourpop shade on and kind of blend out the edges a little bit. Since these are straight pigments, sometimes they're a little bit harder to blend. Now with my Tarte Shape Tape, I am going to do a nice little swoopty cut crease. Now I'm just cleaning up any product that's under that line. That way the next color I use doesn't make a gross muddy color with this orange. And now I'm just filling in that blank area with the Tarte Shape Tape again. Now with the Pastel Green Pastel Neon Pigment from Makeup a Murder, I am going to pack that on the inner half of that area that we just cut out. Now I'm packing that blue Pastel Neon Pigment on the outer portion of that area we carved out. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape again on that skinny brush, and I'm going to give myself a wing with it. And then I'm going to pack the orange pastel shade on top of where I put that liner. Now I'm just taking the orange all over that liner. Now to deepen that up a little bit, I'm going back in with Sunkiss'd. Now with the NYX glitter primer and the Colourpop pressed glitter in Boombayah, I'm going to line the cut crease, first going in with the glue and then putting the glitter on top of it. gonna switch brushes because this one is not picking up the glitter like I want it to. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. For primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm focusing that on areas where my pores look a little bit larger. For foundation, I'm just using a little bit of the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, and this is their Dewy formula. Concealing my under eyes with Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm setting that foundation and concealer in place with the Coty Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. Just adding a little bit of definition back into my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. Just adding some more warmth into the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Bringing it across my nose and whatnot. Popping a little bit of the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party on my cheeks. Hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. I'm gonna hit my inner corner with that too. And I'm just redefining my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Keeping the lips pretty simple, I'm just gonna line them with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. And topping them off with the Matte Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. Back to the eyes, I am running Sunkiss'd from that Colourpop palette on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna line my waterline with the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner in Polished White. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. They're a little bit wonky, but it's okay. I used the Ardell Wispies, the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I popped on a little bit of the L'Oreal Bambi mascara. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.